Welcome back. In this screencast, we are going to see the integrated development environment which we will use for Django development and Python development and other available integrated development environment available in the market. There are so many are free and so many are paid. We at Nescode, we use open source softwares mostly. When I say mostly, it is up to almost 99.99%. Hardly even 1% we use the proprietary software. So let us browse through the IDE which we use. So this is the IDE named Atom IDE, and we use this development environment for our Python and Django. So let me just close all this tab, and this is a beautiful IDE which works for almost all the language. When I say almost all the language, for example, let's say if you browse through edit and preferences, so you will have the something called package. So in package you can see the options available for multiple and various language. So let's say if you are a Python developer, you can install the Python lab package. If you are a Django, Ruby on Rails developer, you can install the Ruby on Rails package. If you are, let's say, PHP or ASP.NET or let's say Java or let's say JavaScript, whatever it is, there are a lot of packages are available, and simply you can just go to install and you can search for the package. Let's say most of the developers are, let's say, PHP developers, so let's say put PHP in option and click search. Probably you will get various options for PHP. You can see the language PHP by default it supports in Atom, and even it is already installed, so no need to install anything. Even for Python, just you search for Python, you will see the Python is already installed. You can see this I have installed autocomplete Python, language Python, which comes by default into the Atom. Python tools, these are you can see the install blue button. You can install it if you want, but don't install it too many packages, too many, it might make your IDE unstable. Now how to open a project? It's very simple. You can click on file and you can say add project folder, and you can add the project folder from your local system. That's it. Now let's browse through the website of Atom. So if you browse through atom.io, you will see the official website. Primarily this particular Atom is being developed by GitHub and it's released in open source. I'm using it since almost, I believe, more than 3 years, I believe. So it's very good compared to a lot of paid development environment, like you can say it PyCharm, which is amazing, or let's say any other paid development environment. You will get all the features which you are expecting in any paid development environments. You just need to configure it. If you just browse through this website, you will see all the details available, and if you just go up, if you click on package, you will see the package which are available for Atom. There are a lot of packages are there. Now browse through the themes. In fact, if you would like to have the customized theme, you can choose one of their theme and you can install it, which is amazing, I believe. I use the default theme which has been given by Atom, so I usually don't like to just change the theme and all. If you just browse through documentation, you will see a lot of documentation that how to change the color and decorations and a lot of markups and all, text editor, workspace, views, etc. A lot of stuff you can see the documentation. There are various video tutorials are also available on YouTube. So you can just browse through various video tutorials as well as the blogs which has been written by a lot of open source community members. They usually release almost, I believe, every 2 months the new version. The latest version is 1.11. In fact, my Atom is also runs the latest version. Now let's see how you can just download and install for your respective operating system. I will go again to the home page, and you can see two big buttons here. The first button says download.deb and the second shows download.rpm. Since I'm using Linux, that's why I'm just getting these two options. Since for me it is Ubuntu, so I can download .deb file. If you are using any Red Hat or OpenSUSE or Fedora, you can use download.rpm. In case if you are opening this site on Windows, probably you won't see this. You will see for.exe. If you are working on Mac, you will see for.dmg. So you can download for your respective operating system, and nowadays almost for all operating system, if you double click on that particular file, installer will already install for your system, and once it is installed, you are ready to go for the next Django development. Thank you so much for watching this screencast. See you in the next one.